In this video, I'll show you how to use packages in Maple. I like to think of packages as collections of commands. For example, here I've opened up the help page for the plots package, which tells me this package has commands like animate, contour plot, density plot, and more. There are a few ways to load a package into your worksheet. The first is with the with command, and then the package's name in parentheses. This lets you use every command within the package inside your worksheet. For example, we can do with plots. Then, to use any command from the package, you simply need to include the command name with the correct arguments. To input the with command automatically, navigate to the Tools tab at the top of your worksheet, then click Load Package, and click on the package that you want to load into your worksheet. If you only want to use one command from a package, you can use the long form name of the command. This is of the form package name, :command name, and then the arguments. For example, we can take the dot product command from the linear algebra package. To access a complete list of all of the packages Maple has to offer, under the Tools tab, you can hit on Package List. This opens up the index of packages in Maple's help system. Maple contains an incredibly wide variety of packages, spanning a huge number of topics, from optimization and graph theory to finances and signal processing. One important package to note is the student package, which is specifically designed for student use. This package contains many sub-packages for different student versions of math subjects. Let's look at the student Calculus 1 package as an example. Here we can see a list of commands. This package, similar to each of the other student sub-packages, contains a mix of visualization, interactive, and computational commands. To use this package in my worksheet, I need to include a : within my with command to identify that I want the Calculus 1 sub-package. From there, I can freely use any command within the sub-package, such as the tangent command. You can also use the long form name to access the command, like this. Note that there exist general packages like linear algebra, statistics, and others, but if you're studying these subjects, we recommend you use the student sub-packages instead of the general packages because they provide features specifically designed for educational purposes. In this video, we discussed what packages in Maple are, different ways to load them into your worksheets, and how to use the student package.